Hey guys, we're gonna start this tour here at the marina. We're gonna do a walking tour where I'm gonna show you guys the area and what it has to offer. So there's several condominiums here, as you guys can see, and people live here. This is where the yachts are. Some of them are personal and some of them you guys can rent. There's also a variety of restaurants. So let's switch it over so you guys can see. Here is Natureza. This place is real good and affordable. This next one, oh no, this is an Italian one. It's not open. Towards the end, I think there's another breakfast spot, Mexican, Alcatrazes. It's okay, not my favorite, but it's decent, has a lot of options, and it's pretty cheap. And we have here Mr. Pancake and Waffle Restaurant. Very Americanized, has a lot of American options. Only been there one time. Hay una foto. This is the restaurant on the right, Las Alcatrazes Marina. They all have their menus out right here, so you guys can check out see if you like it, you like what they have, their pricing. We're just walking around here, doing a quick walk because this morning we're supposed to go out on our boat and go see whales, and then the radio died and we couldn't leave and report ourselves that we were leaving, and in case anything happens we wouldn't be able to communicate with anybody, so we had to wait for them to come bring the charger. And this is all the workers' fault because they didn't do their job right. So now we have to walk here and enjoy a walk here in the marina. Okay, so right here we have a variety of restaurants. So there's some restaurants at the entrance, which when I head back that way I'll show you guys. There's more over here though. Let me know if you guys have any favorites in this area, if you guys like staying in this side. There's also the hotels here at the marina there. You can see some of the buildings over there. And there's a beach. Not my favorite one here, but there is a beach here. And guess what, guys? We have nice flat walking area. No heels on this side, which is what a lot of people like about it here. And that lighthouse in the far end, there's a restaurant on top. Never been to it. Who's been to it and can tell me if they liked it or not. So over here we have pharmacy, we have Oxxo, we have different restaurants, we have shops, we have boat rentals right here coming up, fishing, tours, different things. Of course, I can always help you guys book a boat rental also. We have realtors here too. We have spas too, massage places, pretty much everything. Looks like a hair salon right here or something. Skincare.
Mira, una gota. Una gota.
One drop. Says 60 seconds and 10 years younger. That was a catchy ad. My friend turned around. Okay, so this walk does like a little circle. It's pretty long, good for walking, running, and exercising. And as you guys can see, all these are condos, like I said, and there are a variety of pricing. But yeah, this area is a little pricier because it's nice in general. You are gonna turn around already and head the other way. We are gonna go through the shade, guys, so you guys can see. Take a ride here.
¿Qué vas al tren? Sí.
And we have more shops over here. Massages. Vamos a ver, ¿sabes? See, this is the shaded area. Did you know this hack? So over here on the left, you're gonna find several neighborhoods right here, also considered the marina, where you will find freestanding homes, you know, big homes that are 3-4 bedrooms with pools and, you know, areas to park your car and all that. And if you're looking for that, that's here at the marina. Of course, there's other neighborhoods around Vallarta, and also famous here for the golf course. They have a golf course here. So this is the whole way back, the way we came, but through the indoor shaded area, because it's getting pretty hot today. Oh, this is the ad. Estos son los sitios más oscuros de Vallarta, my friends.
Si tienes miedo a que te asesinen,
to get
no
mugged,
pases por ahí.
because it's pretty dark in here.
Y menos por la noche.
If you're scared to get mugged, don't come through here. No estaba mal, ahí decía pedicure a $20 o algo así. They had a pedicure for how much? $20 or something? 25.
¿Y tus padres no se han quedado?
No sé.
Mira, estos corriendo con esas solaneras se van a derretir.
Okay, we just came out of the darkness and we're back here where we just passed. So we're heading back towards Starbucks. That's where I'm parked. So I can show you guys. These are the other condos over here. We're surrounded by condos everywhere. A lot of them you guys can rent also. They're vacational condos you can rent on Airbnb, etc.
Muy importante en Vallarta llevar tu propia bocina.
My friend said it's important to bring your own speaker, like the people in front of us. They got the jams going on. Look what it says there. Peligro, cocodrilos, prohibido nadar. Danger, crocodiles. Prohibited swimming. Yeah. I don't see any crocodiles right now. They usually like to lay right here on the rocks, on the edge. Y'all see the iguana right there, soaking up the sun. Okay, aquí estamos entrando. We are entering. The Spanish came out. The more newer side of the marina, I guess. We have more restaurants, shops, dental area, dentist, and then on the right we have condos and other restaurants. Huh? Ahora es que aquí está el Oxxo. We're going to Oxxo right here. Okay, let's continue this path to the inn where Starbucks will be our final destination. And we have a lot of parking. Well, not a lot of parking, but some parking. On the weekends it gets pretty packed.
Hay cuenta el sitio ese para las tartas.
¿Para las qué?
Para desayunar y todo.
Oh, ahí está bueno.
Es el Chatos.
Oh, yeah, there's like a pastry right here on the right called Los Chatos. There's several locations throughout. They have one right here, and the cakes are good. They serve coffee and breakfast. That's what my friend says.
We are at a very fancy area of town.
You heard it. The very fancy side of town. That's what it's known for. There's a barber shop right there too. There's a little placita or like little more businesses in there. Also. The only thing there isn't around here, at least walking distance that I've seen, is like a small grocery store, other than Oxxo. And if you're gonna get the bus, you gotta get the bus over here at the corner here by the light. And there's always taxis around here too. Starbucks. Here it is on the left. Okay, this is the end of our tour right here. So I'm parked over here to the left. There's more restaurants on the left also. This is a nice area to come and enjoy a walk. Here we are. See you later, guys. Thanks for joining.